Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy, delicious, and simple meal using some nutritious ingredients: sweet potatoes, wild-caught salmon, peppers, onions, kale, coma, olive oil, your favorite spices, and a pinch of salt. First, clean your salmon and season it with your favorite spices. Make it flavorful. This is your moment to be creative. Next, peel and chop your sweet potatoes. Pop them into the air fryer along with the salmon and cook until crispy and tender. Working, slice up your peppers and onions and sauté them in a bit of olive oil until they're nice and soft. Add them into the pan with your sautéed veggies. Now, toss in your kale, just for a few minutes until it wilts down. Don't forget to season with salt to taste. Voné, 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 and that's it. A colorful, tasty, and nutritious meal ready in no time. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you tried it out yourself. Make sure to subscribe for more healthy meal ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.